You're plugged into everything that's going on. What are you hearing about travel? When do they think it will be restored? Logan, they're hoping to have it opened up maybe tomorrow and sort of trickle the flights back. And the Amtrak trains, they want to get those tracks there at some point after the snow stops, so maybe tomorrow as well. But when should we see transportation start to get restored around here?
I mean, I think it really depends on the magnitude of how much snow we get today. I mean, I would love to see the majority of the roads cleared in the city tomorrow. I mean, I think the main thoroughfares, we're gonna stay out of them all day today, so the main thoroughfares will be open. It's just a matter of capacity and how much can we actually get the secondary roads plowed and open. I know right now the water will have plowed, but as the day goes on, the intensity of the storm is going to get more and more difficult to stay on top of it, just because of the sheer magnitude of the snow. But hopefully by tomorrow, a lot of boxes will be open. There won't be any school in the city tomorrow. And that's really to a clearing. And hopefully by Thursday, we'll be fully operational.
And now, Mayor, can you give us an idea of how you plan for something like disturbance? This one is fairly
those are big boys.
Thursday night, and will linger into part of Friday. Too early to right now to say how much. But a few inches of accumulation is possible here to end the week. Behind it, temperatures only in the teens, so there's no lack of cold air here. And that means as the next one comes in, we get more snow that develops likely Sunday night and may linger into Monday.
Still snowing like a bastard out there. If you look, the cars are buried. Buried. I guess the reports in New York. Wow, you can see it right there in the street. Look at how deep that is.
The coastal communities are really taking it on the chin right now. These are live pictures from Revere. The seawall there's been reached a number
You
of
can't
times.
really see it, but that's pretty deep right there. That's a good 5-foot drift on the intersection. Crazy snow. It is still coming down sick. It's approximately 6:39 a.m. Can't see nothing. The whole city's shut down.
1-837-7122, and we'll assist them in reaching this shelter at the Furnace Brook School.
Okay, and Lieutenant, could you repeat that number for anybody who may have missed it just one more time, and then we'll have some more questions for you?
781-837-7122. And in an emergency, they dial. If they, what we found in the last visit, people stayed in their homes.
And in many parts of Massachusetts, we're going to continue to see snow falling throughout the day and into the evening. We're going to continue to update ourselves region by region over the course of the day, and we'll obviously be reporting to all of you. The one thing, two safety comments. One is the folks at DOT have reported, state police as well, that there are people getting out of their vehicles on interstates to clean off their windshields. Not a good idea. I think we'd prefer people, if you need to clean off your windshield, to get off the road before you do that. The other is passing clouds. That's a relatively dangerous activity, and I think we would ask people to simply be patient and not pursue that avenue as they're out there.
can see, but look at that. Whoa. Can't see shit, huh? It's snow blowing like crazy. Well, we're out here in the snow, cleaning off the fire hydrant. I seem to have a mishap. This bolt lost its nut, so it goes right here. So I'm gonna have to do that, but I'll show you what I did so far. I did this whole walkway. I don't know if you can see it, and the driveway. Look at Danny over there. Probably can't see nothing, huh? So off to the shop to get one of these. Look, there's a car right here. You see, you can tell by the mirrors.
Look, all you YouTubers, I already got most of it done. I'm doing this video for Udizzy. The truck was like in its own little igloo. Look at the back of it. Look at this. I was stuck at work. Mounds and mounds of snow. That was my spot. Don't know if you can see it that well. Frickin' right. Damn it. Let's see if well, I cleared most of it. Woohoo! 2015 blizzard.
So, I'm back in the house, finally. All dried off. Enough of that snow for me. I think we got about 28 inches, 29 inches, somewhere close to 3 feet. They say it was supposed to get up to another foot tonight. I hope not, but it hasn't stopped snowing yet. So I hope you enjoyed all the clips. Not very exciting. No car crashes because they had a state of emergency, and they were going to fine you $500 if they caught you on the street. So nobody was on the street.
Unless
all these welfare recipients can't afford that.
Unless you worked in the medical field.
Oh, unless you worked in the medical field, like Tina. Right, T?
Yes.
Tina just got home. She did what'd you do, 72 hours, 48 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you did 15 hours.
No,
12.
I did my 8 hours and got to hang out and have fun.
Oh, well, beg my pardon on that. So, comment, like, subscribe. Check out the links below. As always, get your hardcore Udizzy swag.